Okay, this is part 2 in setting up our Etsy store. We're going to start by creating a banner for the store. And I found a spot here in the city where I can take a quick photo. You can use an iPhone or your camera. And I'm just going to take a quick shot, then we're going to hop on the computer and I'm going to add a little bit of life. I'm going to personalize that banner. I'm also going to take a photo of myself and I'm going to use that in place of the logo. So no designers, we'll do it all ourselves. All we need is a camera or an iPhone. So this is what the city looks like, and I'm going to get right close to the edge here. I don't know, it's probably about 1,000 feet straight down, and I'm just going to get the camera ready and take a photo. Anyway, that's it. I will see you on the computer and we'll continue on with setting up our store. Okay, we're going to carry on with setting up our Etsy store, and we're going to start right at the top and we'll work our way down. The first thing is the banner and I'm going to go and create that right now. The conditions weren't perfect, so I went back and took another photo a little bit later, and this is what the photo looks like right here. And I've cropped it. It was a little bit larger, but I went with the size of 3,360 pixels wide by 840 pixels tall. Okay, so I want to add a little bit of life to this. It's just the background, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a few images that I created, and once again I took them with the camera. So the first one is I'll grab one of my grandkids and I just put him in a little Polaroid frame here. I'm going to shrink this down a little bit, and I'll just do something like that is good. And now I'll grab another one, and let's go to this one here. And I want to make sure that it's about the same size. That looks pretty good. I'm just going to bring it over and set it right here. And I'm going to grab a couple more. And I'll grab one of my son and his lovely wife. Anyway, I'll throw that one right about here. And then I will grab one of myself. And I've got this one right here. And I'll just throw it right there. That's good enough for now. And basically this is going to be, I'm going to move that one a bit. This is going to be the banner itself. Now I'm just going to mix these here up a little bit. I'm just going to throw this one like that. And I'll take this one and I'll just throw it like this, and I'll move it over a little bit, and that's good enough. This will be the banner. So I'm just going to quickly save this one, and I'll just call this one banner, and I'm just going to save it as a JPEG. And now we'll go back into the Etsy store and we'll add the images here. Let's click on the plus sign for the banner. I'm going to go with the big banner. And I am going to, just like that is going to be good. Now add your image, and let's go back and let's grab that banner. Here it is. Let's place it. And good enough. Let's hit save. And now I'm going to go here, click on the little camera, and instead of adding a logo, I'm just going to add a quick photo I took of myself, and here it is. And I think that looks just fine. Looks good. And there we go. We can now view the shop, and we can see exactly what this is going to look like. This really focuses on myself, my family. You can add more text to it. It's nothing in here is fancy. It's just quick photos. No designer needed. And now on the next step, we're going to carry on with, let me just go back here. Let me just click on the little pencil. Let's just go back here. We are going to carry on with setting up our Etsy store. And once again, we're going to start right at the top, and we're going to work our way down to make sure that we have everything put in place. Anyway, that's it. That's a good start. We're moving forward. We'll see you in the next video, and we'll continue our setup.